Greetings, and once again, thank you for inviting me onto your screen. Yes. So the previous stream yesterday was a bit of a fracas. It ended up me getting absolutely nowhere and just me effing and blinding at the Godot editor and Git. So I've unpublished that. Yeah, I've unpublished it, and we go again, I suppose. So we're going to be, I have put in the title, yeah, tweaking the skill system. Oh dear. I've been tweaking the skill system, basically splitting it into passive and active skills. Yeah, that's what we're doing mostly. Passive, active. Ignore all this. This is old and doesn't really do much. This is what we're mostly interested in. So passive skill. I think there is these can target allies and enemies are. These will probably be operations and have them overridden by passive, where they always return false. Modifiers to apply will always be that, and the target areas, which is these, will always be self. I think that's probably the best way of doing it. Yeah, so we'll close off Visual Paradigm for the time being. Open up Godot Editor. Here we are. Yes. Right. So going to actually right, everything else. Ragel, except these should be ignored. Like I said, put this entire folder into the git ignore, but apparently it just doesn't work. Yeah, so what did we added tool to skills modifiers and scalars. Added skills, rearranged skills. Hit these. Right, so now we have a blank-ish slate that we can go back to. So the problem that I did in the last stream, it turned out that previously I had added tool, and I think about a week or so ago in one of the streams I think, oh, why is there a tool there? This doesn't run in the inspector, it doesn't run in the editor, and actually it does. The inspector, well, it is the editor, and if you take that out then you can't have a look at it, which is why the skills worked for all that time, but when you look at them in the inspector it's just oh well. At least I think that's what's happened, and it does work from there, so yeah, hopefully that thing will be behind us. I have actually I can I've also added a note to self to ensure that this sort of thing doesn't happen again. So, skill, all of these properties can be probably represented in fields, and then just have properties, have the fields exported, and then just have the properties, get them as needed. So this is going to be go. Right. So we need to do this for all of them. I've decided that I'm not going to have skill icons anyways. Yeah, having to draw everything or commission them, it's just not, it's not in the cards. Maybe a few, well, yeah, if sometime down the line I'll start to make a Game of the Year edition or a definitive edition or whatever. And if I'm in a better financial situation, I might commission the skill icons, but for now we can, yeah, use your imagination. So this is a fair bit of busy work. I suppose you could call it paying technical debt. Now, there is an argument that you shouldn't be putting underscores here because you can access them from outside the class in the inspector, but to be fair, it's just splitting hairs. As long as it's, as long as you're, you know, as long as you're consistent, it should be all right. Is this not a string? It's a bool. Don't you bloody read? Mutex stands for mutually exclusive, by the way. It's a fairly common abbreviation. Well, abbreviation, is that it? Because, yeah, we'll call it an abbreviation. Oh, this can target allies and can target enemies. What I want to do instead is something like this. Zero is 2, of course. So we can get rid of these and instead have Allies are first, yep. Then would be faction targeting and your faction targeting dot allies is equal to your faction targeting dot ally. I think that's how you do it. There we go. Oh, of course. Yes. How you do it? Same with enemies. I'm fairly sure. Yeah, there are references to here. Base energy cost, cooldown, and charge time, I think, are going to be in the active, but if I end up putting them in active skills, I can just copy paste them. So, well, cut paste them. Yeah. I'm also going to logically organize them. So something like info? Yeah, cool. Targeting. Costs. Modifiers. Yeah. Do I move this up to targeting? I don't know. Charge time we'll be getting rid of. We can just add it later if we need to. Modifier. Fine. Tags are actually going to be used in so this info group should be stuff that's fluff. Yeah, nothing to do with mechanics. So it's all, it should just explain to the player, you know, what's going on. Whereas the tags do have a gameplay effect. It's usage as well. Right. This is up here. This goes under targeting. No, it doesn't. It goes under the areas. Contains tag spend energy, get modified any job can use. Yep, I think that's it. I should probably put some summary comments. This is looking a bit screwy. Huh. There is a way to just generate a summary comment. Insert comments. Okay. I don't want to put it by. I want to put it here. It just says insert comment. There's no keyboard shortcut. Visual Studio generate summary. Type ... before the method property, etc. VS will generate the comment blocks automatically. Wait, if I do it like this, it doesn't generate. Same with this. Oh, it does with the property. Okay, fine. Name of the skill. I don't know why I'm doing this. Shown to the player. We can get away with the rest. Wait. Not here, you end it here. Modified energy cost, blah blah blah. Right, now we can actually make our the changes that we wanted to make. Right. Call this a script. Active skill. Well, yeah, we need to make an active and a passive skill. It's from skill. Active skill, not just active. Create this. Active skill, same with passive skill. Oop. Bit too far. Passive skill. CS. Right. This then we can just make abstract. Even though it's going to break everything. Yeah, it's going to break everything that I've already written, but then again it was broken in the first place, so there's not much changing there. Active skill is a skill, yes, right. Also want to open up passive skill CS. These have not been added into the CS project because Godot just can't talk to Visual Studio properly. It is what it is. Need to do it ourselves. Right. Skill. What do I need to put in that that is used by active but not by passives? First of all, something a bit more important. Make sure the actual skill can get at the subclasses can get at it. Let's see. Skills categories and subcategories, I'm not sure. Well, a category would just be a passive, right? Surely. Right, hang on. I think we may also need to put all these as virtual. At least up to here? Okay, yeah, sure. All publics become using a find and replace with so much is a bit iffy, but so I think to start off we'll override everything in passive because there's going to be a lot of stuff over. Override R modifiers mutex. Well, that doesn't make sense, so we can just make that false. Or rather, if there are two modifiers in a passive skill, then they might well be mutex. So and target. Well, it's a passive skill, so it can't target your allies. Same with enemies. So it might be that this gets chucked into active skill and then yeah, it gets chucked into actives and then these instead become abstract. I know I shouldn't be copy pasting willy-nilly, but I think I can get away with it. Oh. This needs to be on the clipboard. Come on. These have been ooped, don't want that. Go. So yeah, I think I probably will copy all this and then put it into here. Which lets me get rid of these. Change all these to abstract. Copy this. Get rid of this skill targeting region. Let's see. But these will be overrides. Right. There we go. Skill categories and subcategories. Do you really need to have them in passive? You do need a description for passives and actives. Subcategories and categories, I'm not entirely sure. You also need the name. We'll leave skill info for now. Costs. This is only actives. Probably upkeep costs for the passives, or lose. No, that'll go into the modifier then. If you lose, like, I don't know, 5 energy per second as a result of having the passive, then that's not necessarily a cost. That would just be a modifier, wouldn't it? Yes. Right. Take the code region as well. Yes, I know it hides. This and this. Then these both abstract. Get rid of this as well. And replace the stations with getters. Modifiers, I think, yeah, they're the same. Yeah, we'll keep them as both. Modify targets. These. Well, first of all, they need to be replaced with fields that are exported. Sure. I don't think that breaks everything. This though. Don't need to have well, you can't convert. You can convert an array to an array through link, but it wouldn't mean anything. I'm trying. Sure. These are overrides. Skill tags. I think this is the last thing. Why am I overriding in the base class? Done. Right. That, then defaults. No, this needs to be a bit sophisticated. Kevin can make it better. I could probably put a where in this as well. Yeah, actually, we can do it like that. Select these where null, not null even. Contains the key of. Oh, yeah, and then we turn true at the end. Oops, need a dollar sign here. Right, this is a passive skill, so this it would be float dot positive infinity. Ah. Hmm. Right. Rightio. Try to remove from. Right. Can target, can use, and use on. These are active skills. Spend energy as well. Get modified energy cost. Well, active. Yeah, these are all for active skills. Which means I'm probably going to have to go through all the code and change skill to active skill. Oh boy. I probably should have had passives as their own thing. Like passive effect, but then again, the whole point of wanting to do this is that you'd learn skills. Yeah, as you level up, you learn skills, and trying to learn either a skill or a passive effect would yeah, I think this is probably the path of least resistance, funnily enough. Rightio. Let's see what breaks. Yep. A lot of things break. I think it might just be best to just build it and go for each one in turn. Oh, this is going to be tedious. Oh well. Oh, what is this? It's a... Oh, right. Wait, this is a skill tooltip. No, the tooltip would show passives as well if you're on the status screen, or just so. Yeah, this should handle both types. In which case, this should probably be chucked off the passive, and then everything in there gets moved into active. Same with cooldown, actually. Come to think of it. Yep. That. These for this. Right, passive skills, energy costs and cooldowns. Take these. Then just... don't bother with the overriding. Right. Let's see what's broken. Here we go. Skill. Yep, that's actually all the way down here. So when this gets called, the active skill gets put in there, and this would only... yeah, you can only select active skills in the skill selection, which is the only thing that calls this. Which means that this active is this. Fixes that. And oh, we fixed this at the same time. Imagine that. Okay. See what's broken now. Ugh. Oh. Stretch. No. What? Come on, you can't hate my code that much that the editor crashes. Nah, just kidding. This happens sometimes because open source, it is what it is, unfortunately. Why do I have this on... I want this on the bottom monitor. Ah. This up here. Okay. We're building again. Oh. What? No, that can't be right. That can't be all that's fixed. That needs to be fixed. Oh. Alright, let's see what... Well, no, skills don't work. That's the thing. Right. Okay, so I know that passives don't work. These are just broken. Yep, because these are of skill, which is the abstract, and fuck. Right. Classes. Where are my bloody classes? Right here. Oh, what now? I was cast up to put Godot resource to type skill. What? Because there are no skills. Which means that this bloody plugins. Into this. Oh no, wait. Skill current. Yeah, no, that's fine. That should have that should have both passives and actives. Okay, so fine. Yes. Okay, now the player party. All the way in this thing, which really needs to be organized. This editor resource picker only accepts skill and it's to. That's fine. Just all of them. 0, 0, 0. Oh wait, blah, 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 da, 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 da. Told you there was something that needed to fixed. I'm going to, not from here, but from a, and rename this to equipped skills, because those are two different things now. An allied entity would be, we'll rename this to equipped skills. I can't spell. EQUIPEED. Skills, not kills. Okay. Oh yeah. And it's doing the same with passives, which unfortunately I have closed. Right. That's all that. Cleave should be probably skill underscore cleave. These are just, well, no, it doesn't work because they're all blank resources. Fortunately, I've got everything written down, so we can just, oh. Save this. This doesn't have... alright. Alright, we'll be putting them back soon. Ah, yeah, the attack. That should be okay. Right. Get rid of these. Because I want to group them by class. These as well. In which case, while we're here, we can just move these classes into the resources folder because they are resources. Okay. What now? Ah, yes. There we go. Right, so this is where I've written down all the skills for. I think for now we'll just do not the basic attack because I want to, or maybe I probably would. Basic attack for enemies, then weapon attacks for the party. So if Tim can actually... There we go. Right, so it learns power attack level 2, cleave at level 4, lacerate level 6, target wound level 8, and throw weapon at level 10. I think actually I'm going to put lacerate at level 4, cleave at level nothing because I want that to be learned by fighter. Target wound to be level 6, throw weapon 8. So this goes into fighter. Is there anything that I could put in? Coup de grace? No. I'll have this learned at level 10? No. Yeah, level 10. Right. Hopefully this will work. No active skill because I didn't build it before. Whatever. Oop. Of course. Just try it. Come. Why are you like this, Godot? Why? Well, here we go. It actually builds. Which is good. Now we can hopefully create. Yes, here we go. Active skill. All this power attack. Right. Enemies in combat. Base engine. 5, 8. Which is strike. And I'm probably should move all these skills into the classes, but I will. Wait, so +6, cooldown 8. Single enemy, which is damage modifier. I haven't worked out the scaling yet. Should scale off the guy's strength. All that. Okay, so enemies in combat. So that's how you create a skill. So what we have now is also attack. Damage, melee. I don't have a melee tag. Oh, I did. These should be flags, but there are going to be more than 32 actual tags for skills. So yeah, it'll have to be a long or something like that. Right, the modify attack. These should probably be moved into skills. Probably renamed them to skill tags as well. Sure. And let's go heal. Yet another enum. Because we didn't have enough of those already. Damage, healing, blunt / pierce weapons. Melee. Ranged. Build it before they're available to be here. Also, because I've changed the actual type name, it might just reset. Or maybe not. Being slow. Ooh. No, apparently, I know because we've added to melee and ranged, everything here gets buffed up by 2. Turns out by 2, which is why this became weapon, which is why this became melee. Which is quite serendipitous in this case, but something to keep an eye out for. Not entirely sure about damage. I'll probably call it attack, something like that. Yeah, something like here. I'll add attack as well. And, sure. Basically, what these tags do is they say, oh, if say the user's disarmed, that it can't use any skill that has the weapon tag on it. Kind of like Pathfinder or something like that. Yeah, Pathfinder, D&D 3rd. I think it's in 4th edition as well. And then I haven't played 5th edition. So they might have just completely butchered the whole thing like they did the rest of, well, pretty much everything in 5th. I've read a few of the books and like it's almost like a different language to a 3.5 player like myself. Also, the order doesn't really matter. If it has a tag, then it has the tag. Sure. Okay, so we know that creating skills actually does work. Let's try to make it a passive. Martial weapon proficiency. There we go. Right, because it's a passive, the whole things don't. This targeting costs aren't shown, and I don't think there's anything in passives that actually at all. One thing I would like to do is, if it's a passive skill, make sort of an editor plugin that gets rid of this. Although, because yeah, this will do nothing, because if I go to passive skill, this modifier targets field here is set to private. Those skill tags set. These are set to private, and when we override modifier targets, it always gets target area of always just self. So to be a proper software engineering brain, you'd hide this, but I'm not, so I won't. And also creating a whole editor plugin just to hide this is a bit of a waste of time. Skill category will be a passive, right? Proficiency skill? Passive skill? I don't know. Allows the use of one-handed martial weapons and spears without penalty. stop. I'm not entirely sure how I'm going to represent that in game. Maybe create another modifier saying proficient in such and such. Or I could just instead have this, instead of without penalty, or give a bonus to them. Equipment hasn't been implemented yet, so for a while this won't do anything. But you know, you might as well create them just to ensure that, you know, creating passives actually works. Medium armor proficiency. ENCY. I used to do very good at spelling bees, and now I just can't spell at all. Same with weapon proficiencies. Armor proficiency would the more I'm thinking about it, the more I'm being tended towards, you know, giving a bonus to them, although that would require me to keep in mind that yeah, I'd have to add a bonus to, I don't know. Okay. With regards to passives, I think probably have something like, I don't know, you have, I don't know, n amount of slots for passives, but passives that are in your active class only take up half a slot or something along those lines. Also, previous classes as well. So fighter, you need level 5 cadet to get fighter, so you know, a fighter can equip cadet passives for half cost as well. Something like that. Right, while I am here, I want to put in the new ability scores. So now's as good a time as any. Where are they? Scalers. Oh. Probably it's in damage modifier. Yes it is. And it's just as simple as, well, I've got them written down right here. So power, physical power is strength, physical accuracy is dex, physical defense con, magical power int, magical accuracy focus, magical defense wisdom or willpower. Miscellaneous health is your max health, max energy, and dodge chance agility. I'm tempted to put charisma in there, which would affect like the amount of the potency and or duration of buffs. There's something like buffs, potency stroke duration. Which turns out, yeah, it gives our oh, it's also a nice 10. CHA. Right, I'm going to put this on the monitor. Right. Don't know why these are public. Max health is probably going to be replaced with an actual proper max health stats, because this is going to be base stats as opposed to the actual modified stats, but whatever. So strength, dexterity, constitution, these are fine. Intelligence, focus, willpower, agility, charisma. Tempted to... Oh yeah, max health modifier will be our max health. Right. I'll finish this off and then I need to have a quick idle meeting. Right, so intelligence is there, wisdom we can just replace with focus. This willpower. Same. Agility. Yeah, we'll put in max health and energy. Oh, there's another iron modifier. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yep. Done it again. Put a semicolon when it should have been a comma. Oh well. There we go. Don't need constitution to be affecting our max energy. Don't know why that commented thing Well, it's commented out because it was an old thing, obviously. Right. That's the new stuff there. Then we have a power attack. Then a weapon attack, which will be under equipment. Which would be probably put weapon attack as its own skill, and then just have weapon damage modifier, and then just have that as a 0. And then as a placeholder, you just say, okay, just have everything as 1. That's probably the best way to go about it. Right, I gotta take a crap. I'll be right back. Oh. And I'm back. My mate, oh yes, here. So we've done our new ability scores then. Also, oh yes, basic weapon attacks. Blah 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 blah. Sure. No, not a bloody script. What am I doing? Active skill, that's what I want. All the way in scripts we can put in. Mod if fire. Right. Weapon, not water. This that needs to be overridden. I don't think there's been a setter here. No, no setters. Probably want to get weapon scaling as well. These can go. Skins. Fine. to concatenate, not to union. Effectively, it'll be the same. But I think concat has slightly better performance than union, although we're only probably getting like 5 or so items at a time, so not that much performance hit. This basic should have. Well, that thing won't show because we need to add this in. We build it. What the f- Oh. Well. What the hell is all this happening? Oh. Right. Usually just can't generate these. Let's see what goes on. Oh, what the hell? Don't care about that, but oh, come on. What the earth is going on? It's try this. Oh. Oh. Alright, well, this is... What the hell's going on? Skill tag's right here. What do you mean, are you missing an assembly? It's in the same project. Oh, the hell on. Alright. I have no idea what's happening. I'll save everything. Close everything. Try build once more, then if I can't, I'll reboot my computer and see what goes on. Alright. Godot script properties generator fails to generate source. Don't consider them maybe non-read-only properties with a null set method. Non-read-only properties may still not have a setter, so we can't assume set method won't be null. Ignore overriding property. Oh. Okay, so this is virtual int node type of and then this also. Oh. Okay. There's this weapon damage modifier that's causing all the problems, I think. Yeah, this. Damage modifier has these. I just add blank setters to all of them. Will that fix it? Wait, there is no. I have a 2070 and 32 gigs of RAM. The editor's still being a twat. Oh well. The script aren't the resource. Huh? Oh, come on. Oh, it's because the setters are blank. That's why. That's null, additional bags. Oh. No, that's just Godot being difficult. I think I might need to put in these custom whatchamacallums, just to ensure, look, or it might, I don't know, maybe have a damage modifier base and then have a separate concrete implementation one which does expose these and another one which doesn't. Yeah. I'm gonna put these as fields then. Yeah, exporting properties is just a can of worms. Unfortunately. Hashtag just Godot things. Oh. How else is I arrange? Smells like roast beef or something. Oh well. The only setter is the overrider in here. This. See if it builds. Of course it does. Well, oh. What? Do that. Right. Let's create the rest of these skills then. Active skill. Yes. Lacerate. Res. Lacerate. The strike. Aim for a no. Causes target enemy. Causes. Hang on. Disarms. No, not disarms. Cool. Deals. Plus range 0 to target enemy and causes it to bleed or range 1 damage every tick rate for duration 0. So, yeah, I think so. The damage will be 0, and then it'll get a monitor. Yeah, it'll get so this should be tick rate 1 if we're going to. So the bleed effect will be its own modifier, and then the damage would be the first one, right? Yes. So enemies in combat costs. I haven't got some costs yet. Attack. Melee. Weapon. Right. Got that written down, so 6 and 8. So we'll have a weapon damage modifier which adds some additional, and then there's going to be a damage over time modifier. Sure. Create a new script. Damage over time modifier. From duration modifier. I thought I put in a script template, but The duration is obviously implemented in duration modifier. Thermal class and tool, there we go. Tick rate, yep, times per second. Oh. Put them in alphabetical order. That, whatever you call it. I think the next, the only one left is the potency. That one we can put in. Return base potency dot to string. Then in duration modifier we can override this. These strings need to be applied to each caster. I may actually put them into tenths of seconds instead of integers. Actually, yeah, we'll do that then. I believe it's 1. Let me double check. Because I have got this wrong in the past. F1. Yeah, that's right. Right. Force. Do I want to get modified potency? Oh well. No, we'll just have it as potency for now. Right. That. Then I can. Caster is null. Oh, of course. Billy. Integrate string. This needs to. We have a time modifier. Return. Integrate dot to string f1. Right. Public string pass description with entity master. Actually, I'm going to do it properly. Because caster can equal null, I'm just going to have it as a nullable. Oh. Nah, forget it. If caster equals null, then whatever. So... I think we need to put these as enums because hang on, let me show you them. Right, these are skills, so the skill class will be passing it. So it says, okay, range 0, get the damage range of the 0 modifier, or first if you speak English. So it would get the first modifier and says pass description of type range. So I think instead of a string var type, we'll have description variable type, something like that. So public enum description or skill description variable, skill description variable type. Then we'll have range, duration, potency, right. Should just be a skill description variable, not skill description variable type. Probably call this randomness method and then scaling method as well. Oh well. So I want to put it into skill as well. Public string pass description entity caster. Hang on, need to check rejects, whatever. The string would be like this. Give another one. Yeah. Right, so it'd be something like no. Ungreedy, that's what we want. Right. Of our base description. hell, I don't know. That's all. You gonna come up or not? No, you're just gonna mule about, okay. Right. No, Godot has its own regex. There's a subposition of the match, which is a substring of the match. Capturing groups can be by providing the group number. The value of 0 refers to the whole pattern. As an empty the group did not match or running its group number, or as an integer, or its string if it's a named. Right. So bar output equals skill description. Bar matches equals regx dot search, no, indicates dot create from string, not output. It's underscore go to 9 plus. There we go. Oh, there we go. And /\D. Virtual output. For each bar matching matches. Oh, this regex match. Let's take a look at it. Var match string. No, var match strings equals match dot split dot get string dot split by the underscore. Modifier index equals dot pass match strings 1. Doing this very carefully because I haven't worked with regexes in a while. Yeah, replace all. Modifiers to apply. Modifier in dot get skill, get description. No. Pass description. Have them in order. Hang on, someone at the door. File. Right, I think I'm gonna have to end the stream. Unfortunately, got visitors. So I hope you have a wonderful rest of the day wherever you are. Ta-ta for now.